You know how they say knowledge is power? Everybody says it. You probably heard it a lot in your life. And I want to tell you why it's true. But I want to first let you know, I know it's been a while since I've been on this channel, but I'm getting ready to fire it back up. It's time. It's time that I bring some more cool shit to you guys, bring you some value, let you know what I've been doing, tell you what I've been doing, how I've been doing it. Just to give you a heads up before you lose interest on me here, the last couple of years have been a roller coaster to say the least, but I really can't even explain it really. But let's just say the last 4 months did 100 grand in sales. We created something called Group Juice, and it's helped a lot of people. And it's a vision that I had a long time ago. It started back in 2017 to come into the online space and become a leader, help myself. And then once I was able to help myself, I wanted to help other folks do what I've done and do what I wanted to do. We've helped a few people quit their jobs, be at home full time with their family, do more of what they want. And how we've been able to do that is high ticket affiliate marketing, selling info products, taking knowledge, that knowledge is power, taking that knowledge and bundling it up and selling their expertise. And we've helped folks do this with many different offers, many different products, physical and digital. And I've helped folks sell candles. I've helped folks sell $5,000 packages, and it's been really awesome and eye-opening to see. And I want to get this channel back going. So if you're still with me here now and not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified. I'll be putting some links to my group. I am very picky on who I let in my group. If you don't answer the questions, if you don't see those right off, don't worry. I'm gonna fire this back up. But it's time for me to bring things back. A lot of my local folks, they still don't understand or know what the hell I'm doing. But I help business owners. I help normal folks. I help a variety of different people that are highly motivated and want to make some changes and have an online business. Now, I got my start with many other different business models that did not work for about 3 years. I figured out a lot of things the hard way. I wasted a lot of money. But just this year, we've had, I don't know, almost 10 people cross $10,000 in profit in their businesses between 19 days and 100 days. So 100 days or less, we've helped folks cross the $10,000 mark. And that's a magical number. It's the unicorn of online business, if you will. And it's been fun because those that know, I got fired back in 2020. And, you know, it was kind of tough there for a little bit trying to figure things out. But I kept at it. I didn't listen to the political Pauls and the negative Nancys, you know, telling me this wasn't going to work and I was going to fail, this, that, and the third. And I want to tell you guys, you're going to have folks that doubt you. You're going to have folks that push against you. And unfortunately, it's going to be friends and family that do that the most. So I had to lose a lot of folks, and I was okay with that, because when you start thinking a different way and you stop thinking so small-minded, you're going to outgrow people, right? I sit in rooms with folks that do $50,000 months, $100,000 months, right? Have $1 million business, multiple fronts. Now, to be clear, I never thought anything like that was possible. I used to think having a $30,000 job, you know, salary for the year when I was 18 was good. I thought having a 6-figure job in a plant working 60 to 90 hours a week was how I was going to spend my life. But there's so many opportunities out here that people don't even know. They haven't even been introduced to it. They don't even know the world exists, right? And it's really mind-blowing when you think about it, because there are folks out here that have $1 million a month businesses, and the opportunity is literally endless. Just think about this for a second. If you went to college, I went to college, I got kicked out for selling drugs, whatever. But if you think about it, when you pay for college or tuition, that could be 20 grand all the way up to 100 grand for a couple of years. And I'm not knocking anyone who's done this and has a college degree and you're happy with your life and your career. You know, I'm not knocking those folks. We still need balance in the world. But for those that feel like they're supposed to be an entrepreneur, you need to follow that shit. Because imagine I just talked to someone who's got $100,000 in debt because of their college tuition, and they didn't even get the job that they wanted. Like, now they just have this debt they have to pay down, and they went to school for 6 years, and they have this debt. Versus, I took a $1,500 course to learn personal branding, sales, marketing, the whole 9 yards. $1,500, and it's turned into over $250,000 in sales in less than 2 years. So let that sink in. Now, when I took this, I was able to immediately start learning, immediately start implementing, and got results pretty quick. It took me less than 8 months to hit my first $20,000 month. But see, when that happened, I kind of got hit, right? I grew too quick. I didn't have my foundations in place, and it was kind of tough. So I bounced back. But if you fast forward, crossed 6 figures in 2021. So 14 months into it, 6 figures. And then this year, we hit 6 figures the first couple months, right? So that's the power of building something of your own, gaining the knowledge that you need, right? It's a lot of knowledge out here, guys. And look at it like this. You can pay for your freedom, but you're going to be challenged. It's not going to be easy. Folks are going to fight you. Your mindset's going to be challenged. You're going to have folks that look at you differently because you're outgrowing them, right? Think about it. When you start doing things that other folks aren't doing, they're going to put you in this bucket. And they're like, oh, Sally Sue, they're out here doing stuff. They're leaving where I'm at. You know, if you grew up around folks and y'all kind of came from the same cloth, kind of raised the same way, and you start doing different shit, you're gonna be that black sheep, right? So not to keep this drawn out, but this channel is gonna get fired back up. I don't know if I'm gonna do once a week. It depends on the feedback and stuff that I get. But let me know in the comments if you got any questions. I'll be sure to check these out. But if you're still rocking with me and listening to me talk right now, if I haven't talked to you in a while, I love you guys. I've just been grinding, kind of disappeared. I stay at home, stay with my kids, spend time with my wife, and I don't bother nobody. Just work with our clients. I show up, help them build businesses, help them create offers, and we have a lot of fun. So if you're still here, I'm excited to get this fire back up to let you guys know more of what I've been doing, how I've been doing it. And if you're a highly motivated person and you want to make some changes and build something long term, then I might be able to help. But hit that like button, drop a comment, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Y'all have a kick-ass day.